guys, so we're going to jump right into the tutorial. Basically, if you already have naturally straight hair like I do, you're going to have to use a little bit of heat to create some texture. I'm using my Tresemme Thermal Creations hairspray to prevent any damage to my hair with using heat. If you already naturally have wavy hair, textured hair, you don't need to do this step. You can feel free to skip the step. So once you have evenly coated your hair with the heat protecting spray, you're gonna have to separate your hair into two sections. Just use a hair clip to do so. Now with my hair straightener, if you have a waver, that'd be perfect for this, but I'm just going to use my little miniature hair straightener to create textured waves. So notice how I am basically twisting it back and forth and tilting it back and forth. So inwards, outwards, inwards, outwards. You guys get the gist? So I'm going to do it more of a close-up view for you guys so you guys can see exactly how I do it. So get closest to your roots of your hair and you're going to bend the wand. Whichever way you're comfortable with, you could bend outwards, inward first, whichever, doesn't matter as long as you bend it deep enough where it has an indentation to your hair to make that wave. And you should have something like this. So you're going to do that all around the head and voila, you come up with the monster hair. Now I'm taking my Bumble Surf Spray. This one will give you that beachy waves without the beach sand in your hair. So it's going to definitely dry out your hair a little bit, so that's why we had to use that thermal hairspray before we used the heat earlier. This will make it more scrunchy, more bohemian, more like effortless waves to give it more texture in the hair. You're going to spray a good amount and basically use your fingers, work it in, scrunch it, pull it however you want. Make sure you give it some volume by using your paddle brush or teasing comb, and feel free to back comb. Now taking my L'Oreal Elnette Satin hairspray, I'm going to spray that all over just to lock everything in so we don't lose that texture of the wave as well as scrunchiness we use with the surf spray. Taking some bobby pins, you could use some smaller hair clips if you have those fancy ones. I'm just gonna clip the front two bangs, you would say. So I'm taking a good piece and I'm twirling it and tucking it in the back, just like so. And with one bobby pin should hold it really good because your hair is texturized now with the surf spray and the hairspray. You shouldn't need too many bobby pins, just 2 should be enough. And I personally have really thick hair too, so you really don't need that many. This part's optional. You can add on a headpiece just to finish off the look. I got this headpiece at Marshall's and it just adds on a little bit more of a cuteness to it. I made sure the band in the back is tucked under where my bobby pins were, just so it won't give that bump, the confliction of the bobby pins and your headpiece. That's it. There you go. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys later. I love you guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.